Want to learn how to use essential oils to get in touch with nature?
We can use essential oils to help get the power of nature into our daily lives. This is our June recipe box, and all of our recipe boxes come with 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipes, plus some extra ingredients to make them. The oils in this month's box are Timber Essential Oil Blend. This has a more masculine aroma and it's great for skincare. Sweet Orange Essential Oil, which is bright and uplifting and energizing. Citronella Essential Oil, which can help naturally repel those summer insects away. And Howood Essential Oil, which is a very calming oil. People who meditate love to put this in their diffuser to help them stay focused.
And for the extras in this month's box, we have a diffuser jewelry mini kit. We have a body oil base, an air dry clay, and with every box you also get your stickers and the 6 recipes that you're going to use to make all of the recipes in the box. And as a new subscriber, and for every 6 boxes that you get a big bonus box. So what all comes in the bonus box? It comes with a beeswax, a solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, 6 of our 10 milliliter roll-on bottles to make all your roller recipes, and 6 of our 5 milliliter diffuser blend bottles.
You won't use everything in your big bonus box this month, but you will use them throughout your 6 months of boxes.
We're so excited about this month's box, and we know that you guys will be too.
Shyla, what's your favorite recipe in this month's box?
I really like this Beach Beet Sugar Scrub. I'm really excited to use it this summer.
And my favorite recipe in this month's box is this really cute wood bead diffuser bracelet that we're gonna make. To learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity and make these awesome recipes, subscribe to this box.
Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.